Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, a dining room decor guys, as you know, is in fall season. As we are approaching Thanksgiving, I wanted to go back to basics where I'm using all the colors and guys, and I want to make my own centerpiece, which is I really love to do, and using items that I get from the thrift store and Dollar Tree guys, and the way I incorporate everything to make my home look expensive without breaking the bank. For those of you that don't know, I live in Florida, and at this moment we are experiencing a huge hurricane, category 5. I heard that's coming up towards us, and this video was already recorded a while back, so I didn't have the time to put it together to share with you guys. So I hope you guys keep me in your prayers so I can stay alive and well, so I can bring you some great content like today. Okay guys, the item that I'm using, I get it from the Dollar Tree as I mentioned before, and you can find some good things too if you don't want to spend more money at the thrift store, because the 2 plates I use, they from the thrift store. The pack had like 6 plates and 6 soup bowls, so for $1.50, so it was a good bargain. And the flowers from Walmart, I get it from a while back ago, and they were on clearance. And as you can see guys, for this centerpiece, it cost me less than $5. It is amazing what you can do if you are willing to go to the thrift store and the Dollar Tree. And this cylinder, I get it from the thrift store as well, and it goes perfectly, protects the flowers so to prevent fire. I love it so much guys. Let me know down below, what do you think? I use it for a centerpiece. I use it on my coffee table and other places in my home. Okay guys, let's start decorating the dining area and keep on watching.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now.
If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Today guys, I wanted something traditional. That's why I'm using this tablecloth and those napkin rings. They are so nice, and I really love all the maple leaf and all the colors that in it. And this year I'm all about orange and brown, dark brown and lighter beige. Those colors just pop into my heart this year. That's why I'm sharing with you guys all the traditional table setting. I hope you guys like it. And for the napkin folding, and you guys not new to this because I really love fold my napkin this way. So if you don't like it, you can skip, and I have other videos that show how to fold napkin. So this one, I think it look perfect with the decor. That's why I'm doing it. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished to fold all my napkin and I'm going to set up everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so I'm going to let the music play. Watch the video till the end so you can see the final result.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. So I really love how it turns out, guys. All the beautiful fall colors and the centerpiece is giving. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you if that's something you will recreate.
Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi tout merci en pile mes amours pour votre support. Moi aimez nous. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom, merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.